With a population of roughly 286,000, Bergen is the second largest city in Norway.
On our tour today, we are leaving Bergen and heading up to the third largest fjord in the world, Hardanger Fjord. Welcome to Norway.
Hi.
Hello.
Next, we're going to be boarding a ferry here, so this is the lineup. Luckily, we're bus number 1 down there. Not sure where we're heading next exactly, but I know it's across there.
Fjord.
And Hardanger is the third biggest in the world, or?
Yeah, you're right, third biggest.
After crossing the Ncl Fjord via ferry, we had a couple more stops for amazing views and photos before arriving for lunch at Sandven Hotel Sandven. The historic hotel was first established in 1857 and is beautifully situated on the edge of the Hardanger Fjord in central Norway. The meal was good, and afterwards I even had time to get the drone up for a bird's eye view of the fjord. Next, it was back on the bus for some more fantastic Nordic views en route to the village of Stein to see one of the most visited tourist sites in Norway, Steinsdalsfossen. Finally, as we made our way back to the ship, we drove through Bergen, the historic Hanseatic harbor district in Bergen, which has been a busy place of trade for 1,000 years. Next time I visit Bergen, I will definitely spend some time here. After spending our first day here in Norway, 2 things are clear. Number 1, it's cold and wet.
Which is okay because we came prepared.
And number 2, this country is beautiful.
Much of our day today was spent on a tour bus driving through the scenic countryside, but it was definitely worth it because we saw beautiful landscapes as well as the Hardanger Fjord and Steinsdalsfossen.
Our next stop here in Norway is going to be in Geiranger, and we're going to be seeing the fjord from up close.
And from high above.
What do you think about the Hardanger Fjord?
Beautiful.
What's that?
Big. Beautiful. Big.
You like them big and beautiful?
I do.
Pretend you like each other. Stop here in Our next stop here in Norway is Geiranger. We're going to be checking our next.
Isn't it Geiranger?
Geiranger. That's what she said.
Okay.
She said they were all like anger.
My place.
Yeah. Our next stop here in Norway is Geiranger, where we're going to be seeing the